data, then only it will send a images to the registered phone number, registered email. Now we will see. Now I am placing my hand near to this one, so we can see buzzer indication, and also it will send a image to our registered phone number, and this is the email. So here we can see time is 4:42 and is sent at 4:42 p.m. It will see the image, so we can see the image. In this way this project will be works. Thanks for the watching.